we are taking the old cover of the pool so that we can cover the sand before we put the pool on it, so it won't prick, any sharp object won't prick the pool and prevent damages. There. Yes, it's not easy, and we make another layer so that for extra protection. Yeah, and that's it. You must label the ground so that the water is balanced. And another thin layer. We are trying to finish today because there is a huge rain coming, so we can pull it up and we will shock it before we use the water. This is a desalinated water. It won't make your hair frizzy. Yeah, this is better than the chlorinated. And that's it. We're enjoying the rest of the view for today and having coffee. And thank you for the people who helped me today to clean this area, because during the fall, this holy guacamole! Hala! Hala ka! It's windy the rest of the day and for tonight. And it was raining leaves and all over our place. Allah! Tree gives us a lot of leaves. So here's the pool now. We're trying to pull it together so that we will reach the correct position of the pool. And these are the handles, and it is so heavy. My husband said at one point he wanted to give up already. And that is how excruciating it is. It is really hard. And painful to the muscle. Ayan. Because there's a lot of things to connect. There. And when you make a mistake, agay, you'll go back to number 1. So here now is the bars that would allow the pool to stand up on its own. That's it. So it will be individually installed like this. Like so. There's numbers naman, so you won't be able to miss anything while you're doing your installation. Ayan. This could only be made by 2 people, but it is better if there's a lot of you, so you'll be finished in no time. So that's it. God bless.